Ballet forte rond de jambe in Tournant. In ballet, forte rond de jambes in Tournant, also known just as fortes, the dancer makes a series of pirouettes remaining on one leg the whole time. Preparation is mostly starting in fourth position. As for pirouettes on des oars, the dancer begins with a pointed lower the supporting heel with a demi-plie and extends the working leg to fourth in l'air. Facing front. Continuing to turn, the dancer then rises, whipping the working leg to second position, and again on the knee. The arms follow the movement of the dancer's legs. These pirouettes are called for quick turning and use of the head spotting. Helps dancers tips, keeps your head to the front as long as possible, then turn it sharply to precede the body when facing front again. All pirouettes and fortes rond de jambe may be taken on point. Pirouettes can also be done in an open position such as second attitude and arabesque. They are then done more slowly with a flowing quality of a dodge. For more information, please visit jacklyndougherty.com.